Hello everyone, how are you? I am your teacher. You can call me Mr. Rumi. I will answer some important questions which will be very helpful for you. So I welcome you on my channel Class Beta where we will be discussing question.
Does the ideal gas law have to be in liters? Correct answer is no. The ideal gas law does not have to be in liters. The ideal gas law, which is expressed as PV equal nRT, can be used with any consistent set of units for pressure, volume, amount of gas, and temperature. Common units for volume include liters, but the law can also be applied using other units such as cubic meters, cubic centimeters, or any other volume unit as long as the unit are used consistently. Check out the equation.
So that was our today's correct answer to question. If you have any other question, please let me know in the comment section. I will be answering your question soon. Thanks for watching the video. Be sure to like, share and subscribe our channel. See you in the next question. Bye bye.